Hey Wonderfros, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony, and if you are new here, then welcome to my corner of the YouTube universe, and if you're old here, then hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be attempting to slick a puff because boo, I have been struggling with my puffs lately, and I know what you're thinking, a puff is not a struggle style, but I'm going through, so that's what we're gonna do today, or attempting to do today. But before I jump into it, take one quick second, go down below, click that subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos from me, and thumbs up if you like this type of content. And without further ado, let's jump into it. So basically my hair has gotten longer, and I don't know, I just don't like my puffs like that anymore. I was thinking maybe like a diva cut would help just give my hair some shape in general, but it just shrinks up so bad. It's like, what is the point? And then usually with those appointments you have to go with your hair in a wash and go state, and I don't even do that style most of the time, so it's like, why would I go with my hair in a style that I'm never gonna do for you to cut my hair into a shape that I'm never gonna see, unless, you know what I mean? It just seemed counterproductive. But I feel like certain parts of my hair are longer. I'm gonna just show y'all. This is what you're gonna need. A headband that doubles as a pony puff holder, a spray bottle. This is an old twist out, and again, I've been struggling with it because of the length of my hair, not because this style is actually hard, but I figured I would re-up on a puff tutorial because the last time I did one, my hair was like TWA status. I'll link it above in the eye too, because that's when I felt like my puff was cute. And then ever since then, my hair has been just growing out, and it's like my puffs are not as popping as they used to be. They're just not, and it's the length of my hair. Typically when I put my hair into a puff, I'm smoothing it down here. I'm just changing the direction of my hair after I spray it with water, and making sure the water actually absorbs and gets into my hair and doesn't just sit on top. But you don't want to re-drench your hair, you just want to mist it, okay? Mister. What was I saying? So I don't like the length of my hair when I put it into a puff. I'm gonna show you. Certain pieces hang down. This is what I do, okay? This is what I do. Certain pieces hang down more than others, and it just makes my pony puff look like scraggly, which I don't like. I would prefer a more dome shaped puff. This is the area on my head where I like to wear my puffs also, because you know, you can put your puff like all the way at the top, like all the way. I don't think that looks as good on me. You know, this is just the most flattering for my head shape, girl. And this is what it looks like. Now at one point I think my hair was hanging in kind of like a soft heart shape, but it's not that anymore. Actually, you know what, today, no, it's still kind of straggly looking. So this is where I get to. Certain pieces hanging longer than others, and it just doesn't have the shape like I want. And this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see the dangly. Now my instinct is to just grab some scissors and like bloop, cut it off, because I just don't like the way that it looks. But you know, after I take my hair down, like what would be the point of that? Just too much instant gratification, and now your hair is 700 different lengths because you wanted a cute puff, and you know, you're suffering the consequences. So I'm gonna show y'all. It's like, is a shape but not a shape, but lack thereof. Girl, I just don't like it. And I have tried moving my puff around. I have tried tucking certain pieces in that were hanging too long. I've also tried picking my hair out to being a certain poofiness level so that it boofs out like I want instead of like hangs, because I put so much work into doing a twist out, and then if I put my hair into a puff, it's like you elongated it just so you can like shrink it back up now, you know what I mean? Like make it more undefined and fro like. And it just, little pieces like this. It's not going. And the center of my hair, center crown area, that's like the longest, one of the longest parts of my hair. So the parts that shrink up the most aren't even as long as the rest of my hair, and it just gives me this really weird dangly string-esque puff situation. It's honestly not as bad right now, but I know y'all have seen my puffs in certain videos and it is kind of bad. This is what we're doing today. Nothing complicated, but if y'all have any advice on how to fix this, and no, I am not putting my puff higher up on my head because that just creates like tension for me and I don't like it. It's uncomfortable. If y'all have any advice, let me know. Girl, let me know. I've also tried elongating my hair more so that it is more of a pony puff instead of like an afro puff. You know what I mean? I think I want an afro puff. It's just not, it's not going. It's not going. The style factor, edge booster, pretty good. And yes, I put a whole bunch in here. I'll wear my hair like this for maybe like 2-3 days tops. It's usually right before wash day, so I know it's like I can put this extra product on top of all the product I already have in my hair because it's gonna come back out real soon. Just smooth in however much you feel like is necessary, girl. And I still am not good at sleeking edges, y'all. So don't even come for me. We're gonna attempt to like swoop some things today. We're not even swooping for real. This is not swooping. I know it looks like that's what I'm doing, but I'm really just brushing it with these little things available in my Amazon store, okay? Yes, also if y'all didn't know, I have an Amazon store. Go check out the goods, boo. So now we are going to tie down my edges, boo. And sometimes y'all know I will leave this scarf on and just live my life this way, looking like a black hippie. Ugh, this dangly dang, this is what kills me every single time. This is what kills me because I feel like the style is completely ruined off these little pieces hanging down. I keep pulling at it like it's gonna stay. It don't never stay. Whatever. Now I'm gonna do this. I know y'all are like, what? But sometimes the indent of this scarf like makes my hair dry weird, so I'm gonna just be doing the most. And at this point, I will either let my edges set and air dry, or I will blast it with my Dyson hair dryer. Use whatever hair dryer you got, girl, just to make sure that things are dry up underneath. And a lot of times I'll do this before I go to bed because I sleep on it and it flattens it out and makes it lay down and stay down even better. Like edge controls work better when I lay down on them and like sleep on them. I told y'all before, edge controls don't really work for my hair. I mean, they do, mind you, they work, but every edge control has an expiration time. It's not gonna last me all day. Like unless I tie my hair down, I sleep on it, it's very dry. Not even if it's still a little bit damp, forget it. So yeah, I'm gonna let this dry and I'm gonna be back to show you guys how sleek it is or not. But once again, let me know about these dangles. Let me know what I should do to try and get rid of that because it's just unacceptable. I can't be walking around here with some crooked, raggedy puff. I refuse to do that. Hey guys, so I'm back. It's probably about, I don't know, an hour later. I did blast my hair with heat and, you know, let it sit for a hot minute, and voila. Okay, booze, here we are. You can see that the lines of my scarf are on my forehead. Does that happen to anybody else? Girl, sometimes they be up there for a while, but this is what things are looking like. And this will probably stay sleek like this for a day. I will have to probably re-up and redo my edges tomorrow, because like I told y'all, things just don't stay down. They don't stay down. But also you can, I don't know if y'all can tell, this dangly stringy thing going on in the back kind of got like a little bit worse. I just don't feel like it's coming through as bad as it looks on camera to me, but it's like this hangy, like the layer up underneath here is shorter and shrinks up more, and then this part isn't as like pulled into the puff because it's the center of my hair and it's just hanging more. And like I said, I hate it, but it is what it is. Anyway, this is the look. So this will be my updated pony puff, updated puff tutorial, like kind of, not really, but also I'm asking y'all for help. So leave your suggestions down below in the comment section, because I've lost all faith in my puffs looking cute again. I don't know what needs to happen. I just know I can't keep going like this. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Remember to let your spirit, soul, and hair stay lifted like an Afro puff, and subscribe down below to my world so you don't miss any more videos from me. And if you do, then I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.